Here's a handy Windows app that uses LM Studio to automatically reply to comments based on specific rules you define, such as keywords, phrases, usernames, or most liked comments. Let's see what it can do. First, select AI reply mode. We're going to keep it in test mode because we don't want to actually leave comments, as that would be against YouTube's policy, remember. This is for educational purposes only. We're going to stay in search mode and search for UK politics, Keir Starmer, news. Now, for this demo, we're going to reply to one comment per video that contains any of a number of specific keywords. We select this option here. You can put words or phrases here, and the app will search for comments that contain any of them and then reply to that comment using AI. We're going to search for these keywords. I'll just copy and paste them in. Okay. Now we select how many videos we want to comment on. Let's say 8. And let's say check the first 15 comments for any of those keywords. Okay. Now let's set up the prompt for the AI. This comment bot uses LM Studio. You can run it on your own PC, but I prefer to run it on a virtual machine. It's faster and costs like 30 cents an hour. There's a video here showing you how to do it. You can put the address to your LM Studio server here. What we're going to do now is change the prompt. I have one here prepared, but you can use whatever you choose. I'm just going to copy and paste that in there. Okay, now I'm just going to modify this prompt a little. You can change these prompts to whatever suits your needs best. The AI will get these prompts along with the original YouTube comment and any replies that have been made to it. So its replies will be more contextualized. Let's test its response with our new prompt. Perfect. Okay, so now we're ready to go. Let me just move this out of the way. Okay, so we are searching for UK politics, Keir Starmer news. We're going to leave one reply per video on 8 videos with comments containing either Keir, Starmer, democracy, labor, or government. And we're going to check the first 15 comments. And away we go. First of all, as shown in the previous video, it's going to perform the search, scrape the video links, load the first video, check whether comments are available. It tells you everything it's doing here in this panel. Now it's going to start searching through the comments for any of our keywords. You can see it's processing all the comments here. It does it in the same manner as a human would, so as not to arouse suspicion. As it reads each comment, checking for any of the phrases or keywords you entered, it checks to see if the comment has any replies, and if it does, it expands the reply section and checks within the replies for a match. If no match is found, it just moves on to the next comment. There are a few options like only reply to specific usernames or reply if a specified username or names hasn't replied. So if you've got a lot of comments to reply to, you could put your own username in and it would reply to the comments on your videos. It'll also comment on the most liked comment. So you can say, check the first 10, 20, 30 comments, and it'll reply to the comment with the most likes. Okay, so it's found the keyword Starmer. You can see what it does is open the reply and then insert the text, waiting for comment from AI. It then sends the original comment and any replies it has to LM Studio with the prompt we added earlier. Here we go. It's found the word government. Here you can see the prompt and the comment being sent to LM Studio, and the response comes back really quick. That's why I use Mass Compute. I'll put a link to them in the description. You can see the comment that was generated is placed here, ready to be submitted, and then it moves on, either looking for another comment to respond to or moving on to the next video, whatever you've told it to do. It's found the word government again. Remember, you can have multiple keywords or phrases. You could probably get AI to generate some for you. And have, say, 50 or even 100, a little creativity with your prompt. And yeah, I reckon you could have some fun if you can think of any features to add. I've not actually made it like other comments or like the videos it's commenting on. I don't know what features it could benefit from, so any ideas, leave a comment below. Now it's found labor. Let's see the response. You think voting for labor changed anything? The system's rigged to serve the parasites, not the people? Interesting reply. And on it goes, until it's left the number of replies on the number of videos you specified. Again, use this responsibly. Don't use it to go affecting elections or other nefarious activities like political activism, campaigning. It's for educational purposes only. The download link is in the description. Enjoy, use wisely, stay safe.